What are the new requirements for F-1 student visa holders on OPT and employed in the United States? I'm going to discuss a new requirement to properly report the work on SEVP. Hi, I'm immigration attorney John Khosravi of the JQK Immigration Law Firm, helping clients from across the globe enter and live their lives in the United States. Before starting, please like, subscribe, and follow to get more videos like this in the future. So in September, the Department of Homeland Security under ICE, Immigration and Customs Enforcement, who runs the SEVP system for reporting student visa activities, made some changes to their regulations to make sure that there's proper reporting on the part of students doing OPT type work in the United States. So what is this major change? They now require that students go into the SEVP system or work with their DSO, but in some way or another update and fill out how exactly their major, their field of study, directly relates to the work that they're doing. A copy of this memo can be found at the link below in the description box. What's really important is that if you do not properly fill out this part of SEVP and work with your DSO or do it on your own, and it's incomplete or incorrect, it could lead to about invalidation of your visa status. So that's why it's very important to be on top of this and to do it correctly. Now students can log into their SEVP portal and to the section that's called Relation to the Field of Study, explain how this job relates to the degree that qualified you for this OPT, and fill out what the job description is with the exact duties that they're doing and relate that to how their major is and what their major is and what they've learned. So the specifics get kind of complicated depending on what kind of work you're doing, but some nuances they cite is this. For example, if you're a music major and you're working at a restaurant, you have to specify why that is. It's possible that maybe at the restaurant you're in charge of music or entertainment, so it makes sense with your major. On the other hand, if you studied accounting and you're at an accounting firm, that does not automatically mean that your work is related to your field of study. You could be working as a secretary or some other kind of duty that's not directly related to accounting. So you have to specify the duties what they are. Now it doesn't have to be that complex or complicated. The memo has examples of what you can write on there on page 4 and 5. So it's definitely something to look at. Now the written explanation should also include some other information, including the student's job title, the employer name, the major area of study, whether it's a full-time job or the average hours worked per week, and that brief explanation describing how the job duties are connected with the major in the field of study. Now you could talk with your DSO, the designated school official at the university or college you're going to, for help. And if they have problems or can't figure it out properly, there's resources they could use to better describe it. But again, don't rely on them to do it. It's your responsibility as a student. If you improperly complete this process, it could be a problem with your visa status and future change or adjustment of status or other problems with immigration in the future. So I wanted to update you all on this change. You'll definitely discuss it with your school's DSO. And if you wanted to schedule a consultation time with the JQK Immigration Law Firm, please email us at info@jqqlaw.com to schedule a time to review your case and to see what we can do for you. I hope this information helped. Until next one, have a good one.